Subscribe to my channel It's Dipankar to watch movie reviews and more. And press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
इस दुनिया में लगभग सभी भगवान को मानते हैं। इनफैक्ट मैं भी मानता हूँ। भले ही हम में से कभी किसी ने भगवान को ना देखा हो, लेकिन ये एक मन का विश्वास है कि कहीं ना कहीं एक ऐसी दिव्य शक्ति है जो बुराई का नाश करती है। इसलिए मुसीबत की घड़ी में हम सबसे पहले भगवान को याद करते हैं, क्योंकि हम सब ये मानते हैं कि भगवान है और वो हमारी मदद करेंगे, हमें इस अंधेरे से बाहर निकालेंगे। लेकिन जब ये विश्वास अंधविश्वास में बदल जाती है तो हमें अंधेरे में ढकेल लेती है। और इसी अंधविश्वास का फायदा उठाकर कुछ लोग छल कपट से आपको अपने जाल में फंसा लेते हैं और आपकी पूरी जिंदगी बर्बाद कर देते हैं। तो कुछ ऐसी ही कहानी है इस वेब सीरीज की, जिसका करने वाला हूं आज मैं ट्रेलर रिव्यू। सो हेलो एवरीवन, व्हाट इज अप? आई होप एवरीवन ऑफ यू इज डूइंग गुड। और अगर आप गुड नहीं भी हो तो डोंट वरी, बी हैप्पी, एवरीथिंग विल बी ऑलराइट वेरी सून। So today I'm going to review the trailer of Bobby Deol's upcoming web series Ashram. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Ashram is a Hindi web series directed and produced by Prakash Jha, and it is going to be released on MX Player this 28th August. So the story goes like this.
Based on the official trailer, the story of Ashram web series revolves around a god man Baba Nirala who has a dark side. He derives his power from the influence that he has over the lower strata of the society. He has often stood for them and therefore the people consider him to be the messiah. He promises moksha to everyone and asks his follower to get rid of all the materialistic things like money, property, etc. It can be seen in the trailer that his followers join his ashram after donating all their belongings to him. Later it can be seen that the godman has a hidden bunker in his ashram where he keeps young women. The police had found several bodies of young women in the area, and the story seems to progress to show the godman as a con man. With affluent political links, the godman harasses women and is also involved in murder conspiracies. The official plot lines of Ashram reads: भक्ति या भ्रष्टाचार, आस्था या अपराध, क्या है ये आश्रम की कहानी?
But netizens are criticizing the trailer. पर क्यों? वो बताने से पहले let me remind you, don't forget to check out our website www.dgstudios.in.
We provide services like 2D and 3D animation, branding, graphic designing, website designing and software development, content writing, book publishing and lots more. The link to our website is given in the description box down below, so go and check it out and feel free to contact us if you need any of these services.
अब मैं आपको ये बताता हूँ कि लोग इस वेब सीरीज को क्रिटिसाइज क्यों कर रहे हैं।
That's because several social media think that the trailer portrays a rather negative picture and is targeted against the Hindu faith.
लोग ये भी कह रहे हैं कि बॉलीवुड में ऐसे कई मूवीज बने हैं जो हिंदू साधु और पंडित को डायरेक्ट टारगेट करते हैं, लेकिन किसी भी फिल्म मेकर ने ऐसी कभी कोई मूवी बनाई नहीं जहां प्रॉफिट्स या बिशॉप्स को डायरेक्ट टारगेट किया गया, as there are several well-known cases of crime associated with institutions of other faiths. Interestingly, MX Player wishes to avoid any controversy like Godman and has also launched a disclaimer which states
that the makers respect the religious beliefs and customs of all religions. लेकिन इस पे भी लोगों ने सवाल उठाया है. Although the makers also claim that the story is a fictional attempt, upon viewing the trailer there is a striking resemblance of the incident of Asaram Bapu's ashram and the cases of rape, murder against him.
In fact, now #BanAshram web series is trending on Twitter. वैसे तो ये वेब सीरीज 28 अगस्त को रिलीज होने वाली है MX Player पर, जहां आप इसे देख सकते हो बिल्कुल फ्री. So that was all for today. Go watch this trailer if you haven't and share your views in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, keep loving, keep supporting. Share this video if you feel it's worth sharing. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and follow me on my Instagram handle. Tata.